And the second thing that we want to share with you is temporary coverages, guys. So depending on where you travel to, these coverages are definitely does not come standard on your auto policy, and it really varies from policy to policies, carrier to carrier. And that is if you're going to do international traveling. So either you're driving across the border to Canada, or you're driving across the southern border to Mexico, or maybe you're flying to one of the US territory and you're going to rent a car
Mhm.
to drive there. Christy, how does that work with
Yeah.
international coverage?
And most policies, I think, Tanya, kind of don't necessarily cover that. Maybe within a certain radius of the border, but you definitely want to just find out whether you have any maybe Canada, but not so much Mexico, like we said, except within that radius of the border. Maybe some U.S. territories, depending on where you are. So definitely, again, a call to your agent to verify. Am I covered if I drive a car at my destination, or do I need to purchase the additional coverage that, they're probably gonna offer me?
Exactly. And if you are going to travel to Canada, you can check with your travel agency or make sure, you check with
Sure.
custom. But a lot of time, even if your insurance company or your policy extend coverage to Canada, Canada does require a Canadian ID card. So it's going to look different. So if you just show them your coverages on your phone, it's probably not going to work. So you might want to ask your agent to help you prepare that before you drive across the border.
Good point. See, Tanya, I've never been to Canada, so I didn't know that. Thank you.
Oh, no
It's on my
problem.
bucket
No
list.
problem. The other thing that we want to encourage you to really do is, um, do a quick policy review with your agent because if you are going to be on the road a lot, if you are going to be driving in holiday traffic, you really want to make sure that you're truly protected on your liability portion of your insurance policy, right, Christy?
Yeah, for
Because
sure.
anything can happen. And in the society that we have where a lot of people are too happy, you just want
Yep.
to make sure that your liability limit is adequate to what you want to have or that it protects you in case of an
Mhm.
accident.
Mhm. Or again, bump it up for, just the period of your travel if you want to, just to make sure, and again, give you some peace of mind.
Exactly. And check with your agent on your deductibles, right? Do you want higher, lower deductible? In the event, maybe if you're going to drive a lot, you might lower your deductible for a little bit just to give you that peace of mind.
Yeah. I mean, it's just the
And
law of numbers, right? That you're
yeah.
driving more, your risk is higher. So you can make some adjustments there to help ease the cost of it were something to happen.